What's up, YouTube? I'm about to show you all how to replace the battery and the key fob for Avalon. Mine's a 2007. First, you press down on the key button and the key will slide out. Then you insert the key into the fob, and then you twist it to pop it open. Now on this part, you'll need a flathead and hold your thumb. Go flip it around first. This little clamp right here, use your thumb to press that back, and then insert the flathead in to pop it out. And then take your new battery, insert it, it's a CR1632 by the way, same as the old one. Pop it in. Make sure you line everything back up right. And close. All the way around. Stick your key back in. And you're good.